So now this next part here has you making some changes. So I'm going to have you do these changes yourself. I'm not going to run them. But essentially it's saying let's change the number of epochs from 150 to 300. Well, we can change the number of epochs in our model fit section. So right here it's 150. You're going to change this to 300 just like that when you run the first one. Then you're going to run that just as is and see what happens. Now the next one, we're going to go back, make sure that it stays at 150, and here we're going to add 3 additional input and output values. So you can pick whatever you want. They have to correspond, and they don't have to necessarily be in order. So if I said, okay, I want to add in 10 degrees Celsius, and that would be what? It would be 18, 20, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And so I can add in 3 different extra values there. We're going to see what that does as well. And so go ahead and do that piece as well. And then we're going to see how those models fit.